Hey, Adam here, and I am with my Vacuity double sleeping bag base. This is over 6.5 feet long and almost 4 feet wide, so you can put 2 people on this. At almost 2.5 inches thick, you're not going to have to worry about any rocky protrusions coming out of the ground. It's also made of a 40D fabric nylon that's coated with TPU, so it's waterproof. It has a self-inflating foot pump with it, so I'm going to show you how to use that. It's got its own little carry bag. Pretty cool thing. Let me show you how to set it up. All right, so first of all, we're going to take it out of its own bag. You can easily slide this somewhere else, put it back in your backpack, throw it in the corner of your tent, whatever. Then unroll it. You can see the link here. Let's get that width. Yeah, it's a really good size. And it just has this foot pump. Charge at 250. Clear. I'm just doing compressions, doctor. The instructions say it takes 3 minutes. One of the things you'll notice are these beautiful diamond shapes that are excellent for your back. And at the camera end of the mattress, you have the beautifully integrated head pillow. Whew, feels pretty full. All right, let's close that. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. One of the things I hate about camping is sleeping on the ground. I just can't when I'm this old anymore. I take my camp Crocs off. Oh, man, this is really comfortable. It feels good on my back. Like, even if I lean on the side here, the pillow and the shape of the diamonds lets my body, yeah, and it's so easy to fill. I could use a foot, but I did chest compressions because, you know, why not medical drama this sucker? Yeah, you probably want to pick one of these up. It's better than what you're using or not using. And the other thing is you can just empty it out with these. Ooh, that deflates fast. Where are my Crocs? Yeah, if I have more time, I can get the air all the way out. Put it in this bag, but you're probably already bored to death, so.